Well, I don't know, maybe we should just carry on.
Should we not
Jack,
carry on?
Jack, should we carry on? Okay, let's keep going. What?
We're now facing the wrong direction, going very quickly the wrong way.
Can you put it in reverse?
But actually, this could be good. We can't put it in reverse because the reverse is broken.
Ah.
The steering really doesn't work.
Michał, how far is it to your boat? Very close. Should we take this boat to your boat? Would that make sense?
No, we can't, because there's a lock on the way, and this boat is wider than the lock.
Watch your head, Jocelyn.
Head, Jocelyn.
Quite far away.
Brace.
Brace. What are we
Brace. You have to be stronger than the car.
Yeah, but I also don't want to bump into shit.
Right.
Yes, we can steer, because this boat is shit. There we go. We'll never get out of here. Okay. I'm trying. The wheel is turned all the way this way. I don't know what else to do.
Usual circumstances. Camera equipment found.
In the transmission.
Death on the river.
An iPhone was discovered floating.
Piece submitted. Award given posthumously to director. Have you ever done any acting?
Michał, these two new recruits.
Yes, you may get our leading lady ASAP.
We film the smoke. You think we could cross the road?
What to pull us in? No, I don't think the rope's on it. It doesn't tend to steer very well. Is there something wrong with the rudder? Ah, okay.
What's he doing?